Australian study cautions newborn survival is threatened by antibiotic-resistant superbugs. After analyzing nearly 15,000 blood samples obtained from sick infants across South and Southeast Asia between early 2019 and late 2020, an international research team has concluded that most of the infants' bacterial infections showed alarming levels of resistance to commonly used antibiotics. The analysis, which covered 10 hospitals in Aulac, also known as Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Sri Lanka, found that approximately 80% of the infections were caused by the gram-negative superbugs Acinetobacter, E. coli, and Klebsiella, which have a natural resistance to antibiotics. The researchers warned that the rise of antimicrobial resistance will drive neonatal sepsis, a life-threatening condition that causes extensive newborn morbidity and mortality globally, with survivors facing long-term cognitive and physical disabilities. Thank you, researchers, for sharing this vital information. May the healthcare sector implement strong infection prevention and control measures to safeguard the survival of infants in the Almighty's mercy.
Scientists from United Arab Emirates or UAE turn common waste products into carbon-absorbing material. Researchers at the University of Sharjah in the UAE have patented a method for converting spent coffee grounds and plastic waste into activated carbon. The process combines coffee grounds, polyethylene terephthalate or PET, plastic and potassium hydroxide, then heats the materials to 600 degrees Celsius. The result is a porous carbon substance that traps carbon dioxide. With an estimated 8 million tons of coffee waste produced globally each year, this approach offers both waste reduction and climate benefits. The scientists' patent describes how the resulting activated carbon could be used for air and water purification, energy systems, and emissions control. Furthermore, the invention contributes to a circular economy and supports carbon neutrality. Kudos, scientists, for your creative and useful innovation. In the Most High's wisdom, may humanity learn from such advancements to help uplift and improve our Earth.
European Union's Renewable Energy Campaign promotes more eco-friendly African economies. In October 2025, the European Commission unveiled a new €618 million package to increase the supply of renewable electricity across Africa. The €545 million funding arrangement, announced just weeks earlier, is part of the broader Africa-EU Green Energy Initiative. The funding supports projects in countries such as Zambia and Tanzania and will reinforce the interconnector that gives the former access to an alternative source of electricity and bolsters the region's energy independence. Cabo Verde and Togo will increase their battery storage capacity, and Uganda will expand its grid to provide electric power for more than 250,000 people living in the countryside. The European Union has a total of 12 Shining World Leadership Awards to date for compassion, earth protection, humanitarianism, peace, true caring, and unconditional world care. Bravo, European Union, for helping to develop Africa's clean energy potential through your generous support. May the initiative reflect an enduring partnership enabling a bright future for the African continent in heaven's abundant grace.
It's not about your right to eat meat or my right to tell you what to eat. It's about their right to live. Jamie Logan, vegan,